Welcome to the show.
What are we doing?
We're making chicken nuggets out of scratch today.
From scratch.
From scratch.
Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is
we're gonna
open the chicken. Go ahead.
And then we're gonna put the chicken.
We're gonna peel the skin off the chicken. Peel the skin off and put the chicken in the bowl.
Mm-hmm. Like this.
Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna cut the meat off the bone, which I will do.
After I finish this, I'll be right back. Now we're gonna blend the chicken.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
You go, girl.
You got two hands.
Okay. Then
Yeah, go ahead.
Then we're gonna add one egg.
She's amazing. This is my granddaughter. She's only 8 years old. And she's going to show y'all
And then
how to
now
do this.
we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Savage Cabbage by the Driveby Season and Blend.
Okay.
Wow.
You need the measuring spoon.
Wait, no, make sure.
Whole spoons.
Whole spoons. So you want to take a little more, like this.
Grandpa, I know.
Grandpa.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
I got it.
There you go, baby.
I got
That's
it.
one. Oh, she got it.
I got
go,
it.
girl.
I've been doing it.
Okay, you go, girl. More.
That's good. Okay. So now we're gonna blend this.
Now
we're gonna blend this.
And be right back.
And we'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna shake the chicken, and then we're gonna shake them into chicken nuggets. And then we're gonna put them in the freezer for 15 minutes.
Okay, show them how to do it.
You do it with your hands or ice cream scooper.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. Okay, do another one. Not so much. Yeah, it's too much. They nuggets, remember.
Only like this much.
Yes, that's good. Perfect. Oh, that's perfect.
If you want your kids
that's
to follow along. If you want your kids to follow along, if your kids is, then let your kids do it because
it's easy and fun.
Yeah, it's easy and fun.
Okay.
And your parent can help you by the side, whatever side of the kitchen at the edge. Your parents can help you, like my parents helping me. Okay, now that our chicken nuggets is frozen, we're gonna make the powder, and then we're gonna flour the chicken nuggets.
Okay. So first thing I want you to do is open up the salsa water because we need 1 cup of salsa. Okay. Pour half of the can in the bowl. This is salsa water. We need 1 cup. Okay, that should be good. Now you're gonna put into the flour. What's in here? The flour and the cornstarch. How much flour did you put? 1 cup?
Mm-hmm.
And
3.
right, that's
3.
right. 3/4 cups of right. So now add your paprika. Your smoked paprika, put it in. Your baking powder. And what is this?
from the Driveby seasoning blends, Savage Cabbage.
You forgot? Okay, put it in. Okay, stir it a little bit.
And now we're gonna stir it a little bit.
Okay, show them what it looks like because you're off the camera. All right, very good. So now we're gonna put half of this inside the salted water because we want to pour. Okay, let me take a cup. Wait, let me take a cup out because I need. Let me put half in and you'll mix it, okay?
Okay.
Because I need some of this to flour the nuggets. Okay, stir it.
I'm gonna keep it right here so all of y'all can see how it reacts. We serve.
So now let's pick up the nuggets. Pick up the nuggets with your hands and wash your hands later and flour them and put them back on the cookie sheet.
Okay. And when
So
you're finished,
let's batter one chicken nugget so that they can see how it looks. So put one batter. Okay.
nugget.
Okay,
That's how
great.
it's gonna look.
Let it drip off. Let it drip off. Put it back on the cookie sheet. Shake it, shake it. Okay, put it back on the cookie sheet.
And this.
Right. And we'll do the rest. And
So
we'll
for
be
now-
right back.
Okay. Now the nuggets are ready. Now it's time to taste test them. It's good. You should try this. My name is Nylah. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, y'all.
This is really good, Nylah. You did really good. Really good.